Welcome back to our Scratch Coding series. In today's lessons, we're diving into the world of animation. We'll learn how to animate sprites by changing costumes and using loops. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a simple animation like walking or flying character. Let's get started. I'm going to start and create a new project. We'll title this one Lesson 4 Basic Animations. First, let's talk about what animation is. Animation is the process of creating the illusion of motion by displaying a sequence of images or frames quickly one after another. In Scratch, we can achieve this by changing the costumes of our sprite. To start, select your sprite and click on the Costumes tab. Here, you can see the different costumes that are available for your sprite. If your sprite doesn't have multiple costumes, you can add new ones by clicking on the Choose a Costume button, or by drawing your own. But for this lesson, we want to make sure to choose a sprite with costumes that will make it look like it's walking. Once you have your multiple costumes, you can switch between them to create the animation effect. Let's go to the Code tab and start scripting. First, we'll use the next costume block. This block tells our sprite to change to the next costume in the list. You'll find that in the Looks category. Here it is. Next, we'll add a wait block to control the speed of our animation. You'll find that in the Control category. We'll change this to 0.1. If you click on your script, it will make your sprite look like it's walking in place. Now, to keep our animation running continuously, we'll wrap these blocks in a forever loop. That can be found in the Control category if you're not already there. Now click on it and see what happens. Now he looks like he's running. If you want to make your sprite look like it's walking across the screen, you can go to the Motion category and bring out a Move 10 Steps and click it right above the next costume. Then you can also, so that it doesn't go off the screen, you can go down and bring out If on Edge Bounce, and it will continuously move back and forth. We noticed that our sprite was coming back upside down whenever it would turn to the left. To fix this problem, you can use this block of code that says Set Rotation Style Left Right and plug it in at the beginning. Let's test it out now. There, now he stays upright. Take some time right now to experiment with different wait times to see how it affects the speed of your animation, and then see if you can animate another sprite to make it look like it is walking or flying. That's it for today's lesson on basic animation in Scratch. You've learned some basic animation skills for your sprites by changing costumes and using loops. Stay tuned for the next lesson, where we will dive a little deeper in understanding blocks of code from the Events category.